Connecting attachments is a quick process that can be done by one person. Instructions and diagrams are included in the manual for each attachment. We'll demonstrate attaching the power angle broom. Disengage the quick attach pins by pulling them out and turning them 90 degrees. Start the engine, tilt the mounting plate forward, and drive forward. Positioning the mounting plate under the hitch hooks of the receiver plate. Tilt the mounting plate back until the attachment is off the ground. Set the park brake and turn off the engine. Engage the quick attach pins. Turn the key on, but do not start the engine. Press and hold the auxiliary pressure release button for 2 seconds to release hydraulic pressure. Turn the key off. Connect the hydraulic hoses and electrical connector. When the time comes to remove the hydraulic hoses, line up the ball and slot on the fitting for easy disconnect. Push down on the tensioner spring to release it from the bottom detent and loosen the tensioner pulley. Route the belt from the power angle broom around the drive pulley and under the tensioner pulley. Pull the tensioner spring forward to increase tension on the belt and secure it by placing it in a slot that best keeps tension. Next, let's take a look at how to control the attachments from the console. All the information is located in the switch operator's manual. The right switch is a responsive tilt switch that moves the attachment up and down. Below the right switch is the float control, allowing the attachment to follow the contour of the terrain. When the float is engaged, the tilt switch is disabled. The thumb switch on the left is the auxiliary hydraulic control. Its use varies based on the attachment. On the V-blade, it moves one wing back and forth. The left thumb button toggles control to the other wing. Now let's take a closer look at these attachments.